What's up guys, it's Kelly and today I've got another nail art Sunday for you, and today we are venturing into the world of nail art stamping. I have this super fun plaid slash flannel design that I thought was perfect for fall and winter, so I thought I'd show you guys how I did it. And you can obviously do any color combo you want, but I feel like red and black is just a classic flannel color. So that's what I went with, and if you guys are interested in seeing how I did it, then just keep on watching. So for this manicure, I'm going to be using my base coat, a nice red cream as my base color, a black stamping polish, I'm just using the one from Maniology, as well as their top coat, which doesn't smudge stamping designs, which is awesome. And I'm going to be finishing it all with matte top coat, of course, and I'm using some liquid latex just to protect my nails, and this is the stamping plate that I'm using. Everything's going to be linked in the description, so you guys can check that out if you're interested. Anyway, I'm going to start off with my clean natural nail and apply my base coat, and then once that's dry, I'm going to go in with my red color, and of course you can use whatever color combo you want, and if you want to get really funky then you can do some sort of gradient or color underneath, because I think that always looks super cool with stamping, but figured I'd start off slow and just do a plain simple color underneath. So I'm just going to move over to my silicone matte from Maniology, and I'm just going to apply my liquid latex. This is an optional step, it's just going to protect my skin when I do the stamping. So for stamping you got to work pretty fast. Basically I'm just going to take that black stamping polish, I'm going to put it onto the stamping plate, scrape off the excess, and then I'm just going to use my little clear rubber stamper to pick that up, and then I'm going to line that up with my nail and stamp it on. So you don't have to specifically use a stamping polish for this, you can just use any one coat opaque polish, but I personally think that the black stamping polish from Bundle Monster slash Maniology is the best, and this is the first time I actually used their top coat, which was awesome because I applied it almost immediately after the design and it did not smudge that black at all, which was super cool. So definitely highly recommend that. I will put it in the description so you guys can check that out. But anyway, it's as simple as that. That is the whole design. I just applied my matte top coat over the regular top coat, and I love how this looks. I feel like I look like a blanket or maybe a flannel shirt. I'm not 100% sure. I can't decide. Let me know what you guys think of this nail art. Leave me a comment down below and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!